Achieving good quality sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. Here are 10 secret tips to help you get a restful night's sleep. Number 1. Establish a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's internal clock and improve sleep quality. Number 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Develop a calming pre-sleep routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation. Number 3. Limit exposure to screens. Minimize exposure to electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and computers at least an hour before bedtime, as the blue light emitted can disrupt sleep patterns. Number 4. Optimize your sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is conducive to sleep by keeping it cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and consider using blackout curtains or white noise machines if necessary. Number 5. Watch your diet. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime, as they can interfere with sleep quality. Instead, opt for a light snack or herbal tea if you're hungry or thirsty before bed. Number 6. Stay active during the day. Engage in regular physical activity during the day, but avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime, as it can stimulate your body and make it harder to fall asleep. Number 7. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness meditation, progressive muscle relaxation, or journaling to help calm your mind and promote relaxation before bedtime. Number 8. Limit naps. While short naps can be beneficial for some people, avoid napping for too long or too late in the day, as it can interfere with your ability to fall asleep at night. Number 9. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and consider using blackout curtains or white noise machines if necessary. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet to promote better sleep. Number 10. Seek professional help if needed. If you've tried various strategies and still struggle with sleep, consider consulting a healthcare professional or sleep specialist for further evaluation and guidance. Incorporating these secret tips into your nightly routine can help improve the quality and duration of your sleep, leading to better overall health and well-being. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Become part of our growing community and never miss an upload.